Have you ever wondered how to make money on eBay? Well, it's a goldmine of opportunities, accessible to anyone, anywhere. eBay's global platform connects millions of buyers and sellers, creating a bustling marketplace right at your fingertips. There's more than one way to strike gold here. You could sell personal items or venture into dropshipping. With a myriad of options, eBay is more than just an auction site. It's a platform for your entrepreneurial spirit. So, are you ready to tap into this opportunity? First things first, you need to set up your eBay account. Navigating to the eBay homepage, look for the register link at the top left corner. Click that, and you're on your way. You'll be asked for some basic information, and then you get to choose a username. Make it memorable, make it snappy, but most importantly, make it professional. This is your brand after all. Now, on to transactions. eBay and PayPal are like two peas in a pod, so you'll want to set up a PayPal account if you haven't already. It's a simple process, and it ensures your transactions are secure and swift. Lastly, let's talk about eBay fees. They might seem confusing at first, but they're actually pretty straightforward. eBay charges a listing fee and a selling fee, both of which are a small percentage of your item's selling price. Now that your account is set up, let's move on to the next step. But what to sell on eBay? That's a question many ask. And indeed, it's a crucial one. The secret lies in doing your homework, market research. It's all about finding profitable items that are in demand. But how? Well, there are numerous tools and strategies at your disposal. eBay's own trending section is a treasure trove of popular items. Plus, online resources like Google Trends can help you identify what's hot and what's not in the market. Consider exploring niche markets too. These are smaller, specialized sectors where competition can be lower, but demand remains high. For instance, vintage toys or collectible coins. By honing in on popular products and niches, you can maximize your profitability. Remember, the key is to sell what people want to buy. Now that you have your products, it's time to list them on eBay. First, you'll need to write a compelling product description that highlights the features and benefits of your item. Next, take high-quality pictures from various angles to give potential buyers a detailed view of what they're purchasing. Pricing your item is a delicate balance. You want to attract buyers without underselling your product. Consider the market value, the condition of your product, and your desired profit margin when setting your price. Shipping is another important aspect. Be clear and fair with your shipping rates to avoid any surprises for your buyers. Lastly, remember that good customer service is key. A positive feedback and reputation can make you stand out in the crowded marketplace. And that's it. You're now ready to start making money on eBay.